Do you want to send stars or GIFs on Facebook Reels? You can send star GIFs to the video creator on Facebook with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to send stars on Facebook Reels. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To send stars or GIFs on Facebook Reels. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, you will see a video or reel icon at the top of the screen. Tap on it. Scroll down to find the reel video for which you want to send a stars GIF to the creator. Once you find the video, you will see a star icon with the label "Show Your Support." Tap on it. This option may not be available on all videos. A pop-up screen will appear. Select a gift option from the available choices on the screen. After selecting a gift, add your message or comment in the Add a Comment with your gift box. Once you've added your comment, tap on the Send for $1 button. If you haven't added a credit or debit card before, a new screen will appear. Tap on the Add Credit or Debit Card option. Follow the on-screen instructions to purchase stars using your payment method. Once you have stars, confirm your selection and tap Send Stars or GIF to show your support.